डॉन बॉस्को ऑरिटरीन 12 मेक गोवा आणि भारताचे आणि संवसाराचे प्रतिनिधित्व केल्ल्या डॉन बॉस्कोच्या चले आणि चलयो खेळगड्यांचो भोवमान केलो. पळयात.
Today, the 12th of May, we thought of a closing ceremony for the coaching children who come to Don Bosco Oratory, and we are having a small function of awarding all those students from the oratory who were trained and went for the nationals or state or internationals. There are some children who went for internationals, some played for the state, and some also playing for KONKANI India. So from the oratory is becoming a nurturing place for sports, and we encourage many youngsters for next scholastic year to join the oratory and perform and learn and go ahead in life. Don Bosco said, jump, run, and play. That is a common statement, but don't sin. And that's how we encourage youngsters. Play a good game, a fair game, and give a competition and win the medal. Thank you. God bless you.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, श्वेता गांवकार आणि निखिल जल्मी.